that?
I've seen men look at the gadgets. Well, I haven't done anything really exciting. So, we want to spend a lot more money. But it was in the 30% off. That's down the
I can't breathe! I can't breathe. I can't move. What is this? Dad, what are you doing?
Throughout the 19th century.
I thought they'd go for more of that. It's like voices of. It's like voices of Haunted Mansion.
Why so serious? Let's put a smile on
Oh,
his face.
that's like the voice of the hall. Of the hall. Mommy! Why your hair like? That is just freaky Dad at dawn. Doctor Who! Yeah, it's like the background of Doctor Who, but without half the language. It's been over 2 minutes, another 3 minutes.
Halloween.
I've never seen it. Remake.
Making fun of them indeed, but calling him first that we
Greetings. I want to play a game. You have 30 seconds to answer yourself. If you don't, you will have to listen to a boring voicemail and call that person back. And probably leave them a boring voicemail.
Is that when you get a voicemail and then you send people voicemail message thing?
That's a scream, isn't it?
I've never seen half of these films. What's that? I could scream for longer than that. Calm down, mate.
Hehehe